What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So it's gonna be episode 3, I believe, of the 2004 F-150 Lightning detail. So we're gonna go back to where we have the parts with the truck, and we're gonna get all them parts installed. All right, so let's go. Alright guys, so we're here. We're about to put all the plastic trim back on the bumper and try to put the back bumper on. We're painting the grill, the front grill right now, so we can get this thing looking clean. So I'm also going to wash the inside of this thing, clean it up a little bit, and then put everything back together. Let's go. Alright, so the bumper's on, trim is on. Now we're going to try and get this painted this side. The plastic cover that was up here was covering it, but since I put the wing, now you're able to see all this. So we're gonna try and take care of that right now. So upon further inspection of the tailgate, we found the big rust spot right there. This is the bottom of the tailgate. There's some other areas. Right there, some bubbling. But that was the main area, the major part. So we're gonna try and fix that real quick. And if you guys have lightning, make sure to look at the bottom of the tailgate, see if you have this problem. Alright, so we just got the grill painted. This is what we used. The perfect match duplicate color. You guys can see. Let's see, focus. Dark shadow gray. Paint code CX. And it looks pretty good. I think it's really close to the lower grill color, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Now we're just gonna wait for it to dry and then install it. Now moving over to the tailgate. It's already getting taped to get prepped for paint. So it's looking. And also the rust area. We took a lot of it out. I think it still needs a little bit more work. And then it'll be good to go. Alright, so the grill is dry. Now we're gonna assemble this thing. So I did put it up next to the lower grill in the sun, and it's a little bit darker, but you probably won't notice it. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. If anything, I'll just paint the lower grill later on. But for now, we're gonna assemble this, lower the grill and the grill surround. We can get it installed later. So finishing up the grills, priming this area and that top area. We noticed there was some paint peeling off from the inside fender area, so we decided to fix that as well, since we're already doing this. Right there, it's already primered, and on the edge of the hood. So just gonna do this, and hopefully that's the last thing we do until next time. Later on I want to do the whole truck, but that's gonna be for future video. Oh.
Tapar la bisagra.
No sé.
La bisagra.
Well. All right, it's that day now. Everything is done. So we got all this edges painted, both sides. Look at that. And then the side, can barely see it, but everything's painted. So we're now going to put everything back together. That way we can finally finish this truck up. We will be leaving the tailgate because it still needs more work, but I can come pick that up later on. But for now, let's throw all this back together on the front end. Look at that, everything's back together. It's looking nice. Like I said, the upper grill is a little bit darker than the bottom one. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it is a slightly darker. But for now, that's gonna be it. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell for future videos. Alright guys, see you guys in the next one.